Okay, so I finished cleaning the floor, but now we're gonna cook dinner. So this was my lunch, which I never ate. So we're gonna have that. Oh, shit, I broke it. We're gonna have that later. But anyways, to cook dinner, we need some knives. So, put knives in, point down, and then we need a cutting board. Actually, by the way, I bought light bulbs because we don't have enough, and dishwashing soap. Okay? So, and hand lotion because my hands are too dry.
Stay knives.
Cool. Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna cook something in this. So we're gonna need that, and then we're gonna, and what I'm gonna do is put marshmallows on top of it. It's gonna be really good. And then on top of the marshmallows, we're gonna use these to clean up later. But if you were looking for your phone, I needed it, so I brought it with me. But okay, so we need a cutting board, cut on stuff with, right? And then, no, this was lunch. I never ate it. You can find it, really. So we're gonna. Such a girl. Breakfast. Skippy's good, eh? Anyways, we're gonna marshmallows and celery is really good. If you don't believe me, just try it. Anyways, and for dessert, I have something so good for you. It's not even cool. This is the peeled banana. And then for dessert, okay?
Oh shit.
Nutella and gelato.
Red